Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your RedStone or Red wallet address on Binance. As you can see now, the market is very bullish because Trump just paused that US will create a crypto reserve. So the market is very bullish now, and for the Reds itself, the price reached the highest possibility. So if you want to deposit to Binance, you can go to your asset here in the bottom right corner, and then as you can see there's deposit option. You can click it, and then you can sort red and click this one. Then now you have to choose Ethereum network because this is the only network available. And now this is your wallet address. You can copy it and you can scan it. That's it. Thank you.